If you've ever dreamed about making money online but felt like most methods are either too complicated, too expensive, or take forever to see results, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Let me ask you this. Have you ever looked into dropshipping, maybe even watched a few YouTube tutorials and thought, wow, this sounds interesting but also kind of overwhelming? The setup, the costs, the risks. Where do I even start? Well, what if I told you there's a way to skip most of that stress and still earn real money in a matter of minutes? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that with the NH Dropshipping Affiliate Program. This is not your typical affiliate gig. There are no complicated funnels to build, no months of waiting to see a single dollar, and no giant upfront investment. Instead, it's built around simple, 3-minute tasks that can actually pay you immediately. And the best part? You don't even need to be an expert. Whether you're just starting out or you're already familiar with online business, you can use this system to start generating cash flow almost instantly. So if you're serious about finding a simple, low-barrier way to finally start making money online, grab a notebook, stay tuned until the very end, and let's break it all down step by step. First, let's talk about who NH Dropshipping actually is. NH Dropshipping is a global dropshipping supplier. That means they handle product sourcing, e-shipping, custom packaging, and even private label branding for online businesses. Basically, they're the behind-the-scenes powerhouse that allows e-commerce entrepreneurs to sell their products without ever touching inventory. But here's the cool part. Instead of just being a supplier, they also run an affiliate program. And this program is designed in a way that literally anyone can join, start completing simple promotion tasks, and earn commissions. Think of it like this. You help spread the word about NH Dropshipping. They reward you with commissions. It's a win-win. Now let me show you exactly how the program works, because I know a lot of you want practical, actionable steps you can follow right after watching this video. The whole system is centered around posting in Facebook groups. Don't worry, it's not about spamming random people. Instead, you'll be targeting groups where people are already actively talking about dropshipping, Shopify, e-commerce, product sourcing, and winning products. NH Dropshipping even gives you a list of recommended keywords to search for. Just type these keywords into Facebook, join groups with at least 1,000 members, and boom, you've found the perfect audience. Once you're inside the groups, you'll have access to a variety of tasks. These are tiered. For example, posting once in a group might be one task, posting 6 times in different groups could be another, and each comes with higher rewards. Here's the best part. You don't even need to come up with your own posts. NH Dropshipping provides pre-written content. Literally, it's a copy and paste situation. You just copy the text they give you, which highlights their services like 3 to 5 day fast shipping and a 100% free guarantee, paste it into the group, and hit post. Done. After posting, all you have to do is take a screenshot as evidence. Then, upload that screenshot to your NH Dropshipping affiliate dashboard. This keeps everything transparent and makes sure your efforts are recorded. Here's where it gets exciting. Whenever someone clicks your promotion, signs up, and places an order, you earn a commission. And unlike many affiliate programs that make you wait weeks for payouts, NH Dropshipping supports real-time settlement. That means, the moment a payment is confirmed, you can see your earnings instantly reflected in your dashboard. You can then withdraw your commissions to your balance on NH Dropshipping and even use that balance to buy products if you want to run your own dropshipping store. Okay, let's be real. At the end of the day, we all want to know, how much can I actually make with this? The affiliate program pays you commissions based on the actual payment amount from customers you refer. So, if someone spends $100 through your link, you earn a percentage of that amount. Pretty straightforward. When it comes to withdrawals, yes, there is a fee for international transfers, but here's the good news. It's a flat $25 no matter how much you withdraw. So, whether you're cashing out $200 or $2,000, the fee stays the same. That means the more you earn, the more worthwhile each withdrawal becomes. Now you might be thinking, Sufyan, there are tons of affiliate programs out there. Why should I care about this one? Great question. Let me break it down. Speed. Most affiliate programs pay monthly, some pay bi-weekly. With NH Dropshipping, you can literally see your earnings in real time. Simplicity. You don't need a website, you don't need to spend money on ads, and you don't need to create your own content. The copy-paste tasks make it almost impossible to mess up. Accessibility. Whether you're brand new or already deep into online business, you can start this today. There's no complicated onboarding, no hidden costs, and no technical barriers. Community value. You're not just spamming random products, you're sharing a legitimate solution that helps other entrepreneurs succeed in dropshipping. That means your promotions are actually useful, not pushy. Before I wrap this up, let me share a few pro tips to help you make the most out of this program. Be consistent. Don't just do one post and stop. The more groups you post in, the more exposure your affiliate link gets, and the higher your chances of earning commissions. Engage in the groups. Instead of just dropping links, try engaging with people's questions about shipping, sourcing, or branding. Then naturally recommend NH Dropshipping as a solution. Track your performance. Pay attention to which types of posts or groups bring you the most results. Double down on what works best. Reinvest your earnings. Use your affiliate balance to test out NH Dropshipping's services for yourself. This way, you can give genuine testimonials and attract even more referrals. So, to sum it all up, the NH Dropshipping affiliate program is one of the easiest, fastest, and most beginner-friendly ways to start making money online right now. You don't need a ton of experience, you don't need a huge budget, and you don't need to wait weeks or months for results. All it takes is a few minutes a day posting in targeted Facebook groups, sharing the benefits of @NH Dropshipping, and letting the system do the rest. I've dropped the link in the description below so you can check it out and sign up today. Trust me, once you complete your first task and see money land in your dashboard, you'll realize how powerful this opportunity really is. So don't wait, opportunities like this don't come around often. Click the link below, get started today, and let's start building your online income together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more money-making strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Let's make this your breakthrough year.